When managing the operations of a care facility, you are likely to be spinning many plates, including the service and maintenance of your patient handling equipment. Overseeing a multitude of providers across a range of equipment at different sites can be a lot to manage. In this video, we will cover the benefits of consolidating your service and maintenance needs into one supplier. When you streamline all of your service and maintenance needs into one company, you greatly increase the cost-saving benefits. Consolidating your business under one provider gives you room to negotiate a better price. When looking for competitive costs, because of the quantities of equipment involved, this is an incentive for your provider to give you better rates. The more service providers you have, the more logistics you need to manage. Having one provider helps to minimise your administrative workload. This saves you valuable time as you know who your direct point of contact is when requesting assistance for your care facility. With the convenience of one provider, your assets are managed by a focused team that helps to streamline your maintenance and repair schedules. Slow responses, lack of communication, and no accountability. These are all common issues that can cause a simple repair to escalate and become a nuisance when seeking help for your equipment. By using a single provider for your services, you know exactly who is responsible for identifying and resolving issues whilst ensuring your provider adheres to the service level agreement. Single service providers can organise your asset data across your business into one place, giving you clear traceability and accurate forecasts for life cycle replacements. Using one provider also gives you the convenience of having one set of service reports and one set of invoices, so you have access to all your compliance and service records in one place. With one maintenance provider, they can keep track of all your maintenance needs for all of your assets. Having a single provider ensures all of your equipment is serviced and maintained on time, keeping you compliant. It also ensures your equipment is serviced with minimal visits rather than having multiple service providers servicing your equipment at different times. When you choose to go with one provider, you benefit from all the points previously mentioned. When all services come from one provider, your internal efforts are greatly eased. This allows you to better focus on caring for your staff and customers as well as keeping your standards high. For further information on this topic, please visit our blog pages. Medico has worked with care providers for over 30 years, helping to consolidate their service and maintenance needs into one provider. When using a provider like Medico, you will benefit from a dedicated key account manager and customer service champion. If your company would like further guidance on how to make the switch to one provider, get in touch with Medico. We would be happy to help.